I hate that too. That's why you should write on the cup.
I did, but I threw it away. Ew.
Why'd you throw it away?
Shouldn't she just get a new cup then? Because then, logically, none of them would be hers.
Logically.
Can I write on your forehead?
What are you doing?
No.
What are you doing?
Oh yeah, you know what I'm doing.
This is an interview, Marcia. Where do you see yourself in 29 years?
It won't come
Gee, I
off.
don't know. I'm either going to be a porn director
I'll
or
go to college the
I'm
first
going to
day
be
and have a
somewhere in
penis on my
Czechoslovakia
forehead.
marketing little
Or on
children
my
to
chin.
sexual deviance.
Do you think Marcia is going to be marketing children to sexual deviance or a porn director?
Neither. I think Marcia will be in jail for mass murdering. Chris Zabolczyk as her first.
Which do you think?
I think she's gonna go in human trafficking. She's gonna own a whole collection of buy your own.
I think that Marcia is going to go into pornographic human trapficking.
Whatever. Go
She shoots the video and then she traffics the humans.
Very nice, Marcia. Cody, where do you see yourself in 29 years?
29 years, I will be
That makes you 47.
47 years old. Thanks for that.
Honors calculus!
Screw you,
I see him becoming addicted.
Okay, so Marcia thinks that regardless of what Cody says, he'll be dead.
Why is Cody? Are you going to kill Cody?
Very
And you're
wealthy.
mass murdering?
You're gonna be what?
Very wealthy, and I may support Marcia Painter in her endeavors, but probably not, because she can be a bitch.
He'll do it.
Okay, so the big question is, will Cody be dead, or will he be supporting Marcia with his money? In other words, will Marcia be his sex slave? What do you think?
Cody would be directing her porn movies.
Cody's
I'll be
doing...
financing them.
Okay, so you think he's gonna be dead?
I'll be financing them.
Me, I think
my money.
Mr. Barnett here would...
Wait, give me the camera. Get out of the way.
I think that Mr. I've already done you!
Happy now.
We have. Oh, okay, Marcia has something to add before I go.
Karen Marcia.
When I said dead, I meant drop dead sexy. For a 47-year-old man.
Right.
Right. Yeah, Cody's gonna be the new Hugh Hefner. Now, in my opinion, I think Mr. Barnett is going to be fat. Very, very fat. Just look at this evidence here. I think his metabolism is going to go.
Make him anorexic. Oh, gross.
And I think he's going to... Where do you see yourself in 29 years?
In 29 years,
hide these for me?
Don't ask me why 29. That was just the number that popped into my head.
okay, in 29 years, I see myself
As I eat cattail.
a supporting guy.
You see yourself supporting guy?
don't.
Is that gonna stop you from eating them?
Honestly?
Oh no.
Honestly.
I don't know. That's 29 years from now.
47. Come on. What do you think you'll be doing at 47? Right now.
Teaching?
Teaching? You think you'll be beating kids or? No, be serious.
I wasn't serious.
Your mom wasn't serious.
No, you were serious.
No, I wasn't.
I'm going to be teaching a extracurricular class about what not to do when you're 47, and I'll show Marcia's films.
Oh, do you think this class will be very successful, Mr. Barnett?
Especially with people like Cara Finley, like her personality type. That's what Linda's class is catered to.
Yes, herpes.
And people with
Absolutely.
herpes.
Who's got herpes?
Kara does. I don't have herpes.
Kidding.
No, Marcia has herpes, but we're not gonna get into that.
You are the one that gets cold sores a lot.
Okay, so Marcia, that's a different type of herpes. Okay, Marcia, do you think that that her class is going to be more successful than you, or do you think you'll be more successful than her class?
Well, I'd like to think that since my films will be featured in her classes, I'd like to think that I'm more successful, but I'd like to think that she's riding the